Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on your DELL Latitude 3500. First of all, you have to shut down your laptop entirely, and after that, you have to short press the power button to launch your PC and repeatedly click the F12 until boot menu appears on your device's screen. Keep pressing F12 until you finally reach this menu. Here on the sidebar, you'll be able to see the boot options, which you can select using your touchpad. And after selecting the boot option, you will boot your computer into this source. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.